Today I'll be showing you what are exactly AI agents are and how they are thinking and how they are making actions, and quickly I'll be showing you how you can make one of them in n8n. So if you look at here, I have a little diagram in Google, and on the left side you see that this is the user. Basically this is us that we are working with our AI agent, and in the middle of this picture is exactly our AI agent. There are some components that our AI agent has. The first and the main one is the brain. So this is exactly the brain for our AI agent, and this is responsible for thinking about the inputs that we are giving to this AI agent to respond. Basically, this is all the AI agents usually use LLM as the brain, which stands for large language model. Basically, you know them as maybe ChatGPT or OpenAI, which is the company, or maybe Anthropic or Claude. I don't want to get into this, but I'll show you how this works. The other components for AI agents are tools and memory. Tools are basically the tools that we give to our AI agents, and they can work with them. And the memory is exactly for their memory, so they can keep remember things that we told them in the past. Another component which is a prompt template here is also exactly as instructions. Instructions is the user manual that we give to our AI agent and telling that, hey, this is your job, you need to do these things. And basically we can tell them that what tools they have and how they can think. We can give them access to the date and the time, and we can always modify these instructions for them. So let's quickly jump inside N8 platform. N8 platform is the low-code platform that you can easily create AI agents. So now we are inside the N8 platform. Let's quickly click here and type AI agent, and if you click here, you will see that we already have our AI agent ready. And here is the chat trigger. Basically we can directly talk to our AI agent here in this platform. From here you can open the chat and you can say hello, but obviously you're not going to get any answers because our agent is not ready. So the first thing that we always do is to give the brain to our agent. So if you click here under the chat model, and you will see the list of chat models here. So today I'm gonna choose the OpenAI, and from here you need to connect your OpenAI account. So if you click here, I already have connected my account, but if you haven't, you can just click here. You can just quickly come to platform.openai.com, and you need to log into your account. And if you come to the API keys, you will see that here you can create API keys, and once you created your API key, you can come back here and put the API key and click save. Once you click save, here will be turned to green, and it means that you already connected your OpenAI account. And for our model, I'm going to use 4o Mini, but you can play around. You can come and choose whatever model you want. I'm okay with 4o Mini, so let's use that one. So now we have given our AI agent a brain. Let's chat again with him and see if we can get a response. Okay, so you see that I send a message as a hello, and our AI agent used his brain and send us back a message saying, hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, the next step is to give our AI agent a memory, but before that, let me tell our AI agent that my name is Ali. So you see that I responded that, hello Ali, how can I help you? And if I want to ask our AI agent to see if he remembers my name, I can ask what's my name? Yeah, you see that it says that I'm sorry, but I don't know your name. This is exactly because our AI agent doesn't have the memory. So every time we are sending a message, our AI agent is using the brain, which is OpenAI, and every time he's opening a new chat, that's why he doesn't have the context from the chat. So if we click here and if we give it a simple memory, which is the easiest and simplest one, and everything's fine, you don't need to click anything here. Right now our AI agent has the memory, and he can remember our chat history. So if I say again, hello, my name is Ali, and he's responded that, hello Ali, how can I assist you? So if I ask again that what is my name, he can remember. What's my name? Yeah, you see that your name, he says that your name is Ali, so he could remember. Now we have given our AI agent the brain and the memory. It's time to give our AI agent some tools, so when we ask something to do, he can use those tools and uh, do whatever we want. Under the tool, if you click on this plus button, you can type any tools you want. For this video, let's give our AI agent access to our Gmail, so we can ask our AI agent to send some emails for us. If you click on Gmail tool, it will be opened. So from here you can click and you can click here sign in with Google, and it is very easy. Basically you just give the N8N the permission to use your Google account. So yeah, I'm using my Google account here. Everything is okay, fine here. So this is the tool that sends email, and for the resource we just keep it as message because we want to send the message. The operation is send, but we have also different operations. We can read some message, we can delete some message, but for now we want to send the message only. So here is the fun part. If you see here, you will see that here we need to write the email address for the person that we want to send an email. But there's a cool feature in N8N that I really like it, that right now we don't know who we can send email to or who we want to send email, but we can do something that it is a very cool feature. You see that here it says fixed, but if you click here, right now we are letting our AI agent to understand our text and decide who is exactly our the contact. So for the subject we can do the same. So we will click here, and now AI agent can understand that. It's basically says defined automatically by the model. So we need to change the email type. We don't want to send HTML, we want to send as a text message. And for the message, because this is also dynamic, every time we are sending different messages, we can also click here and we can also let the AI agent defines what is exactly the message that needs to be sent to our contact. You need to come down to this option and click add option, and the first one that says append N8N attribution, you need to click it and you need to turn it off. Basically what it does, that this, if you leave it turned on, at the end of your email message it will be says that sent by N8N, but if you turn it off it doesn't say that. You can add something else. You can say that sent by Ali, or for example best regards, or whatever you want. So now our Gmail tool is also ready, but before we test it, you remember I told you about the instructions or prompt template. We need to set this up actually. So if you click on AI agent and under the option click add option, and you see the system message. This is basically the prompt that we give our agent. This is exactly we define here that what is the job for this agent. Right now it is on default mode, which says that you are a helpful assistant. Most of the time this is fine, you can leave it, but let me show you how you can give instructions to your AI agent, so your AI agent knows exactly what you want and what to do. All right, if you go to ChatGPT, and from here if you click on explore GPTs, on the search bar here you can type this system prompt generator by Tyler Thompson. Shout out to Tyler, he did a very great job. Basically this is a custom GPT. Here we can tell our message, and this custom GPT will exactly generate a system prompt which we can put here for our AI agent. Okay, so I'm just giving a simple prompt, basically telling what is my agent. I have an agent which is responsible for sending emails, and it has a tool send email. So if you go back to N8N, you see that this is the tool for our agent, and actually we can give it a name. We can give it a name exactly as send email, which I put here because I want my agent, when he's looking for the tools, easily can find that tool. So send email. If you rename it, yeah, it will be send email. So now this agent has a tool which its name is send email. So let's go back to ChatGPT and just see what prompts it gives us. And you see that this is our system prompt. This custom GPT by Tyler has done a great job, and you see that it gives us in the markdown format. Basically markdown format is the exactly this is how Markdown format is called. Basically, it is categorize everything, and it's a very clean message. So we can copy here, and we can go back to our AI agent. In the system message, we can paste this message here, and from fixed we can you can leave it as fixed, but I always, when I put my message here, I always change it to expression. So if you open it, you can see that now our AI agent has instructions. Every time we are talking to this AI agent, it comes here and look for his job and understand what he has to do. Yeah, so this is fine. You see that that system prompt generator also generated some example for our AI agent. This is very good. So now our AI agent exactly knows what to do. So right now, one thing is left, that our AI agent right now doesn't have access to the current date and time. So with this prompt, I can give the access to our AI agent, and he can know what time is it and what day is it. Here is the current date, time. This is a little bit of code, but it is very simple. Just double curly braces and $sign now. So right now you can see here that this means the time and date in this format. So now our AI agent, when he comes here, he can also see that what time is it and what is the date. So right now everything should be fine. We can go ahead and test our AI agent. Let's just quickly chat with our AI agent again. So hello. So he remembers me. He says, hello, Ali. Let's just tell him that please send an email to asking him how his day was. All right, so let's send it. So now he's thinking about it. All right, so he used his brain and his memory, and but he didn't hit the email tools. I'm gonna tell you why. So if you look here in the messages, I told him that please send an email, and he's telling me that here's a draft. So what is going on now, that here you see that the email is going to send to this email. The subject is checking. Basically, I'm checking with my friend, and this is the body of the email, which is generated exactly by our AI agent. And at the end, he's asking for my permission. So I'm assuming that in that prompt which I gave from ChatGPT to my AI agent, I'm assuming that here somewhere it is written that always confirm before sending email. So let's quickly check it. Yeah, here you see that it says that always verify the recipient, subject, and tone before sending. So this is a cool thing that always it can check with me. But right now I really don't need to check this simple message. So I can, if I delete here and if I go back and save it, let's talk to our AI agent again and see that this time it can send the email automatically without confirming. All right, so now let's send this to our AI agent. See that using his brain, it should send, yeah, it should hit the email and go back to his brain and send the email. Let's quickly go to my Gmail and see if exactly that email was sent. So yeah, I sent this email basically to myself. So if we come to send, you will see that this email is already sent. Yeah, right now everything's fine. It looks that our AI agent working very well, but let's say that we don't want to always tell our AI agent who to send email. For example, let's imagine that you can just say that, hey, send it to Alex or send it to Peter. But in that case, our AI agent has to know what is the email address for Alex or Peter or anyone else. So right now we can do one thing. We can give another tool, basically a Google Sheet, basically a normal Google Sheet, and go ahead and connect your Google account. It's very easy. Keep everything as it is. And here in Google Sheet, the operation exactly is to get rows. Basically, get rows means that look for the rows inside the Google Sheet. I don't know why they put it as a get row, but they could just simply put it as a looking. So right now we want to look for the rows inside our Google Sheet. and find the person. So we need to click get roles, and here you need to choose your document. I have already made another document in my Google Sheet. Its name is contact base. I'm going to show you in a second. And there's only one sheet in this, which is a sheet 1. So let's quickly go to my Google Sheet here. Yeah, this is the contact base, and you see I have already put some random names with random emails with random phone numbers. So if I tell my agent that go send an email to Alex, he will come to this row, to the second row. He will check for the Alex, and he will grab his email address or phone number, and again use his brain to send an email. So let's quickly test that out. Okay, so here you need to choose the correct document and also the correct sheets for that. Here under the filters, you need to add a filter, and we need to filter our looking by the name. So when we tell our AI agent that go check, go and send an email to Alex, it comes here and the filter by this column, and he basically he looks for this column, and he matches the names, and then he grabs the email address. So we need to choose here the name, and for the value it's same as the other parameters. We can let our AI agent decides what is the value. So now our Google Sheet is basically connected to our AI agent. But if I talk to our AI agent and tell him that go send an email to Alex, he cannot do that because he doesn't know that he has this tool. So inside this message, I need to define that, hey, you have another tool, which is a contact database. So let's quickly go back to our ChatGPT and tell them that to this system prompt generator, and tell them, we can say refine this and add another tool, which is a contact database. For my contacts, there is names, emails, numbers. Its name is contact database. So let's quickly get this new prompt and give it to our AI agent. Yeah, you see that this prompt is exactly telling our agent, hey, you have this tool and you have this tool. This tool is send email, this tool is contact database. So let's grab it and let's go back to our agent, and we can just leave this one and replace all of this message with this. All right, so now everything's fine. Let's go back to our main chat, and hopefully everything's fine. So let's test it. Hello again, Ali. You see it remembers. Please send an email to Alex. Remember, I have Alex in my contact database, or let's use Peter, and ask him if he comes to the gym today. So using his brain. All right, so it looks like we have a problem because he didn't hit the Google Sheet, and I think it says I have sent an email to Peter. Okay, let's see. Is he really sent an email? No, I don't think he sent an email. Yeah, there's a problem here. I need to change this. Yeah, we need to change the name here. Contact database. Yeah, always do this, because you know how important is this for your agent to know what tools he has. Contact database. Yeah, he didn't know. This agent knows he has a tool, but he couldn't find it, I guess. So let's try again. Yeah, using his brain, using the contact database, exactly. Going back to the brain, send an email. Yeah, and boom, that's it. Perfect. It says that I have sent an email to Peter asking if he's coming to the gym. So let's quickly check my email and see if the email was exactly sent it to Peter. So if we come to the send, Let's just refresh it, and you see, yeah, this is the email. Hi Peter, I hope you're doing well. Are you planning to come to the gym? And he signed off exactly with my name, best app. Yeah, everything works fine. You see that our AI agent could use his brain and then use the memory and use the contact database to get the Peter's email address, and again used his brain to generate an email and hit the email function or tool and send the email to our friend. Alright guys, as always, I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, just like this video. It really helps me out, and just drop in the comment section what videos you need, and I'll be reading them and I'll be create those videos. See you in the next one.